Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we'll learn to make these crochet made flowers. These look beautiful and they are simple as well. They are simply made from chains or single crochet stitch, so beginners can easily make these. Both are beautiful whether it is single colored or double colored. So now let's start. We have taken yarn of 4 ply and crochet is of 3 mm. First we'll make a magic ring. Now we'll make 16 single crochets in the ring. We'll make 16 petals and one chain is required for one petal. So 16 single crochets we'll make in the ring. 16 single crochets we have made. We'll slightly tie it, we'll not tightly tie it here only. Now we'll attach with the first chain with the help of slip stitch. Now we'll make 6 chains. 6 chains we have made. We'll skip first chain and we'll make one single crochet in the next chain. It will give slightly shape to the petals. One single crochet we have made. Now we'll make 5 chains again and we'll attach in the same chain from where we had started our chain. We'll make single crochet but we'll change the thread here only. We'll not complete our single crochet, we'll attach the hair thread only. Now we'll go to the next chain and we'll simply make slip stitch. We'll not make single stitch, we'll make slip stitch. Now again we'll make 6 chains. First chain we'll skip and we'll make one single crochet in the next chain. 5 chains more and we'll attach in the same chain from where we had started. We'll not complete our single crochet, we'll change the thread because we are making 2 colored flower. We are making alternate colored flower. Now we'll go to the next chain and attach with slip stitch. Again 6 chains. First chain skip and make one single crochet in the next chain. 5 chains more. And we'll attach in the same chain. Following this pattern, we'll complete the whole round taking alternate threads. We've completed the whole round. Total 8 petals of each color we have made. Total 16 petals will be there. It looks really very beautiful. Now we'll attach the last petal. We'll complete the single stitch here because we have not to alter the next color. One chain we'll make and detach the thread here only. Now we'll tighten the thread of the ring. We'll tightly tight. Earlier we had not tightly tightened it. Now we'll tighten it. Otherwise it would be difficult for us to make chains in the chains. I hope you like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. But please don't forget to press the bell icon at the side. One colored flower is more easy because we have not to alter the thread every time. We have to make continuously. Both look very beautiful. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.